Good morning. Sun's out. Snow's melting. Just drip drop. We're gonna get in the black Dodge today. This thing is filthy. If you own a black truck, don't live on a farm or a dirt road. And let that sit. Warm up until it's done ticking. But today, we're gonna work on something special. Something I've kind of been working on and putting off. We're not gonna do any Dodges today. We're gonna do Mazda content. This here is my 87 B2200. Napa bucket special. It's low. It's slow. Well, it don't run right now, so it is that too. But I need to pull the interior. Needs to come out. Not sure where I'm gonna put it, but interior needs to come out, and the fenders need to come off, the grill, of course. And we're gonna start getting ready to get this guy running. I think I'm going to pull the whole front clip, just cut it off, pull the whole front clip off today. That way we just have the engine sitting there. I want to pull the interior, pull the carpet or the seats, carpet, and I'm going to have to cut the transmission tunnel out to about here ish, because the Dodge transmission is bigger than the Mazda transmission, of course. So that's what I'm doing today. Let me get my truck warmed up, get it over here, and start pulling all this shit off. Alright, so here's what we got. I just got the fenders off, bumper off, grill, hood. Hood's gonna go back on. I got the cowling off, the wipers off. I'm gonna pull the wiper motors. I'd like to kind of block the venting off from inside of there. That way water and whatnot doesn't get in there, and that way I can put like a computer and put whatever I want in there. This video is just really an introduction to this truck on my channel. So it's a 87 B2200 with a Dodge Magnum 360 in it, 5.9 liter. I just want something different, something fun. This truck had the engine that's in that blue truck there in it. So I took it out when I blew the spark plug out, and I was hoping by now I'd have it running. But I've got, you can see I just picked up more projects. That's the story of my life. So I'm just gonna start just tackling them. This one I got the wheels off for my snowplow. Here's the head that was on the engine in this truck, and I blew the spark plug out of hole 3. That was just laziness because I I knew it was loose, and I just kept tightening it finger tight, and it started popping out more and more and more and more, and then until it wouldn't. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video on the introduction of my trucks, just one at a time, and see what you guys think. You know, let me know. And I'm just gonna keep doing what I do, what I like. And tomorrow you'll be seeing a video on that truck, the Pearl Silver. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.